How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 screen flickering issue. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on display. If you turn on your adaptive brightness, then turn it off. After turn off your adaptive brightness, then go back and click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and click on reset. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.